At Sharp, it's our constant endeavor to bestow upon you the goodness of nature through passion and innovation. And such passion has led to the formulation of Plasmacluster Technology, a patented technology that's been certified by over 30 international bodies. It releases positive and negative ions in the refrigerator to eliminate microbes. Tests have proven that plasma cluster ions inhibit the growth of molds in food, keeping them fresher. Another common issue we see in refrigerators is the exchange of odor. That's where the Antibacterial Deodorizer comes into play. With this technology, odor molecules are oxidized so that your pie doesn't smell like a meat pie. Now you need not worry about keeping your dessert item next to your meat items. Say yes to Sharp refrigerators. Say yes to freshness and the goodness of nature. Sharp, be original.